Hey friends, this video is an introduction on matrices. I think it's probably something you want to write down, is that whenever we do matrices, we have rows and we have columns. Okay, so when it says write the dimensions, I will tell you that another word for dimensions is order. So it says write the dimensions of each matrix or write the order of each matrix. So this first matrix has 1, 2, 3 rows and 1 column. And what is located in second row, first column, is the number, second row, first column is the number 3. So A21 is the element 3. So this next question, number 2, has 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. And sorry, I'm getting the text message. And A23 is the second row, third column. That is the number 5. So A23 element is the number 5. All right, this one is a 2 by 3, and second row, first column is the number 12. This is a 3 by 3. Third row, second column is the letter Q. This is a 3 by 2. Third row, first column is the number 4. This is a 1 by 4. First row, fourth column is the number -. Okay, this is really straightforward. Don't make this harder than it is. This element right here is equal to that element right there. So A is equal to 5. That's straightforward, friends. This element here and this element here are in the same location. So 2b is equal to -7. So b is equal to -7/2. So that's straightforward. Do not make this hard. C minus 2 is in the same location as 10. So C minus 2 is 10. So C is 12. And last but not least, D plus 3 is 10. So D plus 3 is 10. So D is 7. So that's straightforward, my friends. Do not make that hard. 5 plus 2 equals 2x plus 1. So that algebraic equation is 5 plus 2 equals 2x plus 1. So 6 equals 2x. So 3 is equal to x. I think you get the picture. 1 plus -13 is -4x. So 1 minus 13 is -4x. So x is 3. Next, 0 minus 10 is 5z. So -10 is 5z. So z is -2. And lastly, 2 and -10 are this. So let's see, what do we have there? 2 minus 10. So -8 is equal to 2.5z minus x, but x was 3. So that would be negative 5 is equal to 2.5z. So negative 5 divided by 2.5. Negative 5 divided by 2.5. 2.5 is 5 halves. Is equal to z. So I think z comes out to be negative 2. But I'm doing that without a calculator, so I could do that. Using my brain. All right. So this is A. This says to double A. So if we double A is, so we're going to multiply everything in A by 2. So double A is 2, negative 2, 6, negative 4. So that's twice A. And then this says to multiply D by 4. So we're going to multiply D by 4. So all these get multiplied by 4. So 4D is 4, 0, 0, and 4. And then the problem says to add them together. So we're going to go a big plus here. And then that's going to give us 2A plus 4D. 2 plus 4 is 6. Negative 2 and 0 is negative 2. 6 and 0 is 6. And negative 4 and positive 4 are 0. So that should be our answer. Okay. Thought I hit erase. I did. Okay, so next one. So friends, you might not have seen this before I actually did in Algebra 2. If everybody got where they were supposed to get in Algebra 2. But in case you didn't, do not make this more challenging than it is. We're going to take D and multiply it by 5. So this we're going to multiply by 5. So 5D is equal to 5005. And negative A, we're simply going to take A and change all the signs. So negative A is negative 1, 1, negative 3, 2, and then we are simply going to combine. So when we combine, 5 minus 1 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, 5 and 2 are 7. So 5D minus A is that. Alrighty, 2C minus E. So let's erase a few things that I got here. So 2C, I'm going to take C and double it. We cannot do this. It can't be done. Can't be done because C is a 2 by 3 and E is a 3 by 1, and they have to have same order or dimensions to add or subtract. So if you're taking the JCCC test, that's what you write. If you're doing it on Canvas, you say does not exist, which is what we've used all year. All right. So 3D, do the next one. 3D, triple this. So 3D will be, I wrote A, but I meant D, right? 3D, yes, I meant D. Oh, by the way, this is called an identity. And it is called an identity because the main diagonal is 1s and everybody else is a 0. So that's called an identity. There we go. And so we're going to take this identity and multiply it by 3. So that's going to give us 3, 0, 0, 3, and it is no longer an identity anymore. So that is 3D, and A is simply 1, -1, 3, -2. And so when you combine them, 3 and 1 are 4, 0 and 1 are -1, 0 and 3 are 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. And so 3D added to A is that. That is it. That is your introduction to matrices. We will go further in future classes. If you have any questions on this, ask me in class or email me. Thank you. Have a great day.